Gents and ladies, come together at the appointed hour to explore the realm of money and investment through an engaging narrative that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Despite the difficult beginning to the year, are you prepared? In the upcoming weeks and months, there is optimism for Tesla stock as it has risen from $108 to a more reasonable $177 per share. Wall Street is feeling upbeat, but hang on to your hats. There's a catch. Experts are growing less enthusiastic about Tesla stock as a result of rising interest rates, according to one valuation approach. So grab a seat and let's explore what lies ahead for Tesla shares. Permit me to make some initial remarks. I think things might be even better for you than you understand if you're a tiny investor with only 2 shares of Tesla stock. Could you be heading towards an early retirement? Check your ability to bank on those shares. What are the chances that the value of Tesla shares will match what everyone anticipates? Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. With the market responding favorably, Tesla investors are enjoying themselves greatly at the moment. Despite a brief decline below 100 on the 4th trading day of the year, the price of Tesla shares has been rising for the majority of January 2023. The cost has continuously ascended. Tesla just released their Q4 results. The financial results exceeded forecasts, which raised the price of Tesla's shares. The company's revenue raised some initial concerns, but the results far exceeded them, sending the stock price skyrocketing. The price of Tesla is currently 55 cents below its 52-week high of 384.29. After a recent surge after the release of positive earnings data and better than promised along with most stocks, the price of the U.S. GDP test stock fell below 170 on the most recent trading day. Tesla ended the day with a weaker close as the Nasdaq fell 2%. The stock is currently rising above the 50-day moving average and finding support at about $167. The first level of resistance is at $179, while the net price is below the 200-day moving average, which is at $197. Now let's talk about Cathie Woods. She said that the pre-share price of $3,000 per share is at the bottom of her price range for Tesla in a recent interview. She especially identified a growth in Tesla's market share between the end of 2017 and the present as the main factor financing the company's future success. Even though Ford, GM, and Toyota will soon be releasing electric cars, renowned investor Cathie Wood is quite optimistic about one of her favorite companies. Tesla Wood's valuation of the company at $1 trillion may seem high considering that the stock is currently trading below estimates and would need to rise significantly to meet Wood's goal. Additionally, there is talk of Tesla developing the Tesla network, a fully automated light vehicle network that will bring in enormous profits for the business. In an email to Tesla employees, Musk brought up ARK's updated pricing forecast and expressed his agreement with ARK's findings. "If we performed a good job, I might be able to agree with ARK," he replied. Musk projected that Tesla would become the most valuable company in the world if its stock price rose to $1,000 per share and the company's total value reached $3 trillion. With a current market valuation of over $730 billion, Tesla Motors is the most valuable car company globally. Musk made repeated remarks regarding the value of Tesla's stock after it reached an all-time high in 2021. He expressed his opinion that the price was too high in a tweet to his followers. Elon Musk was sued by a shareholder and board member of Tesla, who said that the CEO's erratic tweeting violated a settlement reached with the SEC due to his statement that Tesla lost roughly $13 billion in September 2021, when 8,100 shares of the company's stock were sold for $5.76 million. Despite the increase in the stock price, ARK Investments decreased its ownership of the company by less than 0.5%. But Cathie Wood has been buying a lot of Tesla shares lately, a sizable chunk of their ETFs, as their price dropped in late 2022. Tesla continues to be their major investment ETF with an emphasis on innovation. For example, the first flagship ARK Innovation ETF has 10.9% of its portfolio invested in Tesla. Wood claims that the introduction of the new electric cars from well-known manufacturers will support Tesla's strategy. According to StreetInsider.com, she sees a lot of potential for electric cars in China in the future. After 2 days of losses, investment banker Piper Sandler released an upbeat note, which caused Tesla shares to rise 3.1% as of February. At last, Tesla produced a profit. By raising its price target for a stock to $750 and restating its buy manufacturer might increase by up to 55% on their original investment. Jonas is that Piper anticipates more earnings for Tesla in the future, which might raise the stock price. Tesla is leading the race in the market. According to Jonas, he applied the marathon comparison, asserting that Tesla is at mile 21, while everyone else is either at mile 2 or is still tying their shoes. Tesla's position will strengthen as the race goes on, as evidenced by the company's recent record-breaking car deliveries. Jonas raised his price estimate for the stock from 400 to approximately 430 based on his prediction that the automaker will sell more cars in 2023 than it did in 2022. Analysts recognize the potential in Tesla's business due to supplier changes in software rewrites because of the company's operational experience during the pandemic, when other manufacturers were dealing with chip shortages and supply chain delays. In order to fulfill the increasing demand, Tesla extended its manufacturing by establishing 2 additional factories in Austin, Texas, and Berlin, Germany. Tesla was able to maintain its manufacturing operations. These additional facilities will be added to Tesla's current sites in Shanghai and Fremont, California. With the new plants in Berlin and Austin, the corporation will be able to enhance earnings and production rates thanks to all of these modifications. Tesla will have more chances to boost its gross margins, allowing it to use those extra funds into enhancing customer support. Norway, the UK, and other countries are among the company's top markets for its cars due to network expansion and pricing. Tesla will need some time to ascend to these levels. We have no doubt that Elon Musk will be capable of managing whatever problems the business may face down the road. Even with government incentives like tax refunds for alternative technology, it will be interesting to see how they tackle these problems. For example, the cost of a Tesla car is still somewhat high. Before reviews or other discounts, a Model S's base price is over $85,000. It is still somewhat more than $40,000 for Tesla's entry-level choice, before any rebates, discounts, or gas savings are applied. Still, most drivers cannot afford it. According to Vertical Group analyst Gordon Johnson's calculations, Tesla lost almost $14,000 on each of the 3 models it sold in 2018. Even though these numbers will lessen the likelihood that Tesla's batteries will run out, the company's management initially had problems with a shortage of batteries that could power its products. The Tesla theme park, dubbed the Gigafactory in Sparks, is presently under development. The company's battery problem needs to be settled in Nevada. With an estimated floor area of more than 1.9 million square feet, the lithium-ion manufacturing facility will help boost yearly Tesla vehicle production to more than 500,000 vehicles. It is currently unknown if the Gigafactory will be finished on time because regulations or logistical issues frequently cause delays for large-scale projects. The Gear Factory, which is expected to boost the state economy by $100 billion over the next 10 years, has received approval from the Nevada state government. The market for electric vehicles is becoming more competitive. Within the next several years, a number of well-known automakers, including Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Subaru, and BMW, want to release electric cars for sale to the general public. This intensifies the rivalry for Tesla's market share and opens the door for tech companies to enter the fray. To counter Tesla, Apple and Google have placed bets in the automotive sector. Though they still have a ways to go, rivals with a well-established customer base worry Tesla. The fact that Tesla is so far ahead of the competition is promising. If you now own Tesla stock, you might inherit a sizable fortune in the future. Do you possess a forecast for the price of Tesla stock? Please feel free to comment with your ideas in the area below. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the upcoming video, I hope.